In this video, we will look at how to use Respondus 4.0 to download Canvas quizzes from Canvas as Word documents that you can then edit and use. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Canvas course and go to Settings, go to Export Course Content, and you're going to choose Quiz, and then select your quiz that you want to download. Create export, and it's been exported. Let's do new export, and it's downloaded here. We're going to open the show in folder and click on this, and we are going to, let's see, extract all, and this is what you should see here. Extract, and there we go. So let's pull this over here, and it's right here. Then we're going to open Respondus 4.0, and you'll be able to open this after you download it on your computer. And here is Respondus 4.0, and you want to go change your current personality to IMSQTI and import questions, browse, and find the quiz you just downloaded and open it, and click here and get this document. It's an XML document. Open. Click preview. Here are all the questions. Click finish. And then go to preview and publish. And so, let's see, go to print options. And you have exam or exam with answer key. I'm just going to do exam first, and we're going to do save to file. Let's save. Okay. Maybe a save. Okay. There we are. You can open it. This is what it looks like. And you can copy them all. Just select all. And you can easily edit these as well. There we go. Read mode. And you can also select all and then copy, do a new blank document. There we go. That might look better to you. And you can also do it with an answer key. And so just to see what that looks like, we'll do that real quick. So here it is with the answer key, and you can see that the answers have an asterisk by it, by each one. So that's how you can do that. Use Respondus 4.0 to download Canvas quizzes as Word document.